Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruz. I welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Okay, children. So we have completed Geography Standard 8, lesson Human Resources. So today we will have exercise. So please get ready to do the exercise. Exercise A. Answer the questions by choosing the most appropriate alternative from those given below. First, 60% of the world's total population is found in dash. Option A, Australia. B, Asia. C, Africa. D, Europe. Answer option B, Asia. Second, the equatorial parts of Africa are sparsely populated because of dash. Option A, the extreme climate. B, lack of transport network. C, lack of medical facilities. D, none of these. Answer option A, the extreme climate. Third, fertile river valleys and plains are dash. Option A, densely populated. B, sparsely populated. C, moderately populated. D, none of these. Answer option A, densely populated. 4. The number of deaths per every 1000 person in a year is called dash. A, birth rate. B, life expectancy. C, natural growth rate. D, death rate. Answer option D, death rate. 5. If the number of births exceeds the number of deaths for a country in a year, the population will dash. Option A, decrease. B, increase. C, remains the same. D, will first increase and then decrease. Answer option B, increase. Exercise B. Write T for true and F for false. First, Central USA is densely populated area. False. Second, population increase is more in developing countries. True. Third, population pyramid determines the distribution of population. False. 4. 90% of the world population live in Asia. False. 5. Average life expectancy is the average number of years a person is expected to live. True. 6. In India, census is undertaken every 10 years. True. Exercise C. Give one word. First, deaths per 1000 population in 1 year. Death rate. Second, counting of population. Answer, census. Third, average number of persons per square kilometer of total surface area. Answer, population density. 4. Gap between birth rate and death rate over a year per 1000 population of a given region. Answer, natural growth of population. 5. People aged between 15 to 65 years who are earning wages in some form of another. Answer, working population. 6. Movement of people in and out of an area. Answer, migration. Exercise D. Answer the questions in about 50 to 70 words. First, what are the characteristics that determine the quality of population? Answer. The characteristics that determine the quality of population are education, physical and mental health, technical knowledge, and their skill. Second, what are the causes of population growth? Answer. The population increases in the world is mainly due to rapid increase in natural growth. Natural growth refers to the difference between birth rate and death rate. Migration also determines the change in the population size of a region. Third, explain dependent population. Answer. Age structure classifies the population into different age groups. People below 15 years of age and more than 65 years of age are considered to be dependent population. They could not earn for their living. They are fed by the working people. Question 4. How does the population pyramid of a developed country differ from that of a developing country? Answer. Population profiles in a developed country tend to look more like population columns than pyramids, whereas the profile of developing countries tend to look more like pyramids. In developing countries, having a larger family may be more of a granted of support or care in later life. 5. Name the factors determining the ability of people in contributing to their country's progress. Answer. The factors that determining the ability of people in contributing to their country progress are health, technical knowledge, skills, education, and physical and mental health of people. Okay, children. So these are the question answers of this lesson. Please write the question answer with the objectives and bring the copy for correction. Children, if you like my videos, please like it, share it, and subscribe it. Again, we will meet in the next video with the next lesson. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.